Welcome to episode 2 of Skin School. Today we are going to talk about the differences in the skin between men and women. So I know there's this meme that's going around everywhere. Men with just using one soap for everything and women breaking out even after using everything. And even though that's a sort of exaggerated, I just wanted to come to the basics because there's a fun topic to talk about. Now we should know about our body, about our skin and all of that. So I'm sure you must have noticed during puberty times there are usually, like in school, there are male kids who go through acne, the hormonal acne, more than females. And as we grow up slowly, we see like the pimple being more of a female thing. And also this is because of perspective also. Like if a man gets a pimple, he's usually not that bothered. A woman is, and that's just because of the societal norms of beauty. That's a whole different discussion, and I'm not going to go into that. I'm here to discuss biology. So biologically speaking, the hormonal surge is why I gave the example of puberty, is because that is one time when everyone goes through the hormonal surge. But after that, males tend to go lesser number of hormonal fluctuations than compared to a woman. We are constantly in this cycle of different phases of the menstrual cycle, and because of that affects our whole body and not just our skin. That's why we have so many changes in our skin and we have to struggle to maintain it. Men don't face that. I'm not making this a feminist issue or anything like that. It's just simple biology. जो है वो है, they don't go through it. We do, sadly. So that is like the major reason why there is a difference between the skin on a man versus on a female body. Other than that, the stratum corneum of a man, like stratum corneum is the uppermost layer of our skin, and that is thicker compared to a woman. Uh, and because it is thicker, the transepidermal water loss means the water which is present in our skin gets evaporated, okay, and that process is called transepidermal water loss. So, because the stratum corneum is thick, the transepidermal water loss happens less. Like I said, water, hydration, moisture, all of that is very important for the skin. So, men naturally have this protective barrier more stronger than the women. Another thing is that with age, everybody loses collagen in their body, okay, which naturally holds the skin tight and keeps it supple and looking healthy and all of that. But in males, the depletion rate is slower than a female. So that's also a huge reason why with age men tend to have healthier skin than a woman. Another thing is that women go through this whole thing of pregnancy and postpartum and all of that, which again cause a lot of hormonal fluctuations, things we cannot even comprehend because your body is creating a whole different another body. So all of this also causes a lot of changes in your body, in your skin, and men don't go through that. What I don't like is when somebody comes with a acne story, or when somebody shares about their acne and all that, it's just presumed कि अरे ये तो बहुत बाहर का खाती है, अरे ये तो बहुत मेकअप लगाती है, अरे ये तो बहुत ये करती है, and everybody starts giving their 2 cents about it. अरे अरे मैं तो ये सब बंद कर दे, ये सब प्रोडक्ट्स बंद कर दे, ये सब मेकअप बंद कर दे, सिर्फ साबुन घिस, उससे देख मेरा स्किन कितना अच्छा है. तो my purpose of putting this video out there is for you to scientifically understand why the difference is, if there is. And sometimes things are just plain simply biology and genetics and things which are out of our control. So I don't want you to feel bad or compare yourself to somebody else. Forget if that person is a man or a woman or whoever. Sometimes things are not in your control. It's just plain biology, and world is unfair like that, and it's okay. You can do your best and just move on. I want to make my videos more gender neutral, and I don't know if like this comes in the category of men bashing. I've tried not to, like I've been as scientific as I can. Also, if a guy wants to find out like why this happens, this video helps. But I'm sorry if I went in that tone. Also, this in no way means that men should not do skincare. Of course, everyone should do skincare. Just because a person is born skinny, which is like the market standard of being healthy, which is not true by the way. But just because somebody is born skinny doesn't mean they can eat all the junk food in the world just because they won't put on weight. So you should still do your skincare routine and maintain your skin and improve it. So that was the small lesson today on episode 2 of Skin School, and stay tuned for episode 3. We are going to talk about acne and the process of acne and the basics of acne, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.